Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from data trust. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Visit thedatatrust.com and scroll to the bottom and click the Do Not Share My Info link. The Data Trust Consumer Privacy Request form will open in a new window. Under Select the right you want to exercise, choose Right to Delete. Fill out the form, including your phone number, then proceed to Step 3. In the lower part of the form, select No for Are you an authorized agent? Enter your opt-out reason, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Submit. A notification will appear on screen, and Data Trust will email you to verify your identity and complete your opt-out request. You'll see a confirmation and your information will be removed from their website. Congratulations on opting out of Data Trust. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.